Hello po Leo Collective, Sun, Moon and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong nahulog na. Kunin natin ito, King of Wands at your center of your reading. Ito po ay inyong weekly reading for Feb 3 to Feb 9. So may nauna na nahulog. Na-pre-shuffle ko na po ang inyong mga cards. So let's start. Take nyo lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Use po your intuition so that makuha nyo po yung akmang messages for you today. At the center nga, we have your King of Wands. In the position of what you want, you have the Two of Cups. In the position of what you need, you have the King of Swords. In the area of your recent past, you have the Nine of Swords. In your near future, you have the Five of Swords. In the position of your obstacle, you have the Ten of Pentacles. Actually, hindi siya masyadong obstacle this week eh. So, magandang bagay sa iyo to, Leo. In the position of your fortune, you have the Chariot card. Beautiful. In the area of your advice by the Divine, you have the Nine of Pentacles. Beautiful. And the Fool card. Wow. And your outcome this week, Leo, you have the Judgment card. Beautiful. At the bottom po ng inyong deck, you have the Three of Wands. Focusing on the things that matters, yung mga pinlano mo, ayan na, darating na. Yung mga dating iniisip mo lang na mga bagay na gusto mong abot, ayan na, parating na siya. Unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng shape yung mga pinaplano mo, yung ang pinaghihirapan mo, unti-unti mo na makukuha. You're having this excitement sa paparating, so naghahanda ka na. You're ready na to move forward and move on. Ito na, paparating na yung mga bagay na minimithi mo. So, great bottom of the deck card para sa inyo, Leo. At the center of your reading na tumalon kanina, excited siya, you have the King of Wands. Having that vision, fire within you, alam mo kung anong gagawin mo. You will go for the things that you want. Meron kang clear vision on ano yung goal mo, ano yung pangarap mo, at susundin mo yun, kukunin mo yun. Nakatingin siya sa past, si King of Wands, nakatingin siya sa past. Meaning, lahat ng mga pinagdaanan niya at fails, mistakes, lahat ng lessons na natutunan niya, dadalhin niya yun para magawa niya, ma-execute niya yung mga plano niya much better and maging much better person din siya sa pag-approach sa mga problemang parating. Hindi ka pangingilagan ng hindi ka panghihinaan ng loob and alam mo kung paano, you're a natural leader alam mo kung paano mo i-execute o aayusin yung mga bagay depending sa kung anong problema dumating. So you're a natural born leader. King and queens kayo sa mga signs natin You're very self-assured, you're very passionate, you're very fiery, you're very outgoing din kayo. So alam mo kung paano i-maneuver yung life mo kung anong darating na mga problems. So be that King of Wands mindset this week, Leo. The King of Wands being clarified by the Moon. So may mga bagay ka pa rin syempre hindi alam o may mga bagay pa na hidden sa'yo na you want answers now. Malalaman mo na yun, alam mo na yung biglang darating o lalabas yung mga impormasyon na kailangan mo. I'm sensing parang email, may darating o impormasyon. Someone will contact you and tell you. For others, I'm seeing mga seaman dyan na makakarinig na ng good news for abroad, something na hindi mo alam kung paano mangyari before. Now the answers will come to you and alam mo nang gagawin mo. So para sa others, Leo yun So the Moon answers, getting that trust in your path sa dadaanan mo, trust sa goal mo na ma-attain mo siya, whatever it may be, o kung ano man yung pahihintulutan o kung ano man patutunguhan, So have that innate trust sa divine at sa sarili mo. Akit po tayo sa position ng what you want and what you need. You have the Two of Cups in what you want. For others, ito ay lovers. You want that to come to you. For others din naman, you want contract since going na tong bagay na gusto mong puntahan. You want to seal the deal, gusto mo na ng kontrata, gusto mo na ng approval. I'm also seeing you following your soul's purpose, your higher self mo. Kung ano man yung nakaplano sa'yo sa divine sa taas, now susundin mo na gusto mo nang gawin. Yung matagal na kumakatok sa puso mo, sa isip mo na plano, ngayon susundin mo na siya, may initiative ka na to do that. For others, I'm seeing really contract. You having that exchange of approval, communication, and everything will go in your favor. sa communication na yun ang tawag dito sa pag-uusap nyo na yun para makuha halimbawa sealing the deal, so that will be beneficial to you. So the Two of Cups is being clarified by the Emperor. Yes, you have the power, you have the mindset, you have everything that you need para magawa itong mga gusto mo. Just have to put yourself in it, put your mindset, heart, mind, and soul sa bagay na gusto mo at makukuha mo siya. Because you're an emperor, you're a natural leader. Whatever you say, you do it, di ba? In the area of what you need, you have the King of Swords. Panindigan mo. Lagi ko sinasabi, ang King of Swords is about you doing what you say, meaning say what you mean and mean what you say. Have that clear, sa ano niya, clear skies. Nahati na niya yung mga clouds. Very clear na sa isipan niya, sa mindset niya kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin. And this person, King of Swords, has no time for BS, for dishonesty, for manipulation. Wala siyang time para sa mga taong maglalaro lang o hindi seryoso sa isang bagay. So, you're a go-getter, King of Swords. So, yun ang kailangan mong element sa life mo ngayon is panindigan, and just say no to people kung ayaw mo, and say yes to the things that you want, and achieve the things that you want. Be an active role in your life. So King of Swords is being clarified by Nine of Wands. So you've been through a lot, Leo. You've been through a lot. You've know the ins and outs sa industry na tinatakbuhan mo o sa work na patagal mo ng pinagkatrabahuhan. Alam mo na yung mga lessons and what to do and what not. And you're trying your best to keep on it, and you're very resilient, you're very strong. So now alam mo na yung gagawin mo. You need the clarity of what you really want. So that is in the area of what you need. You need to fight one more time, one more chance for you, okay? In the area of your recent past, you have the Nine of Swords. Marami ng bagay na na-stress ka na. Minsan kahit umuwi ka, nadadala mo pa rin sa bahay yung mga problema sa work o sa outside world ng bahay mo. Hindi na peaceful yung personal life mo because yung mga drama and also conflicts and problems ay nadadala mo na kahit sa place or area na dapat nagpapahinga ka. If you need guidance, if you need help, ask for help from a priest or a counselor or a therapist or someone to talk to, a best friend who will not judge you, parents who are available to be a listener for you, a friend or a sibling na handang makinig para ma-release mo lang yung mga pain, ano? And marami ka talagang inisip it before, something na parang nag-overthink ka na din. Because there's too much stress kasi hindi mo makontrol yung mga bagay-bagay, diba? So the Nine of Swords is being clarified by the Nine of Swords is being clarified by the Nine of Swords, 999. 999 is all about release. Pakawalan mo na daw yung mga bagay na wala kang control and you have no higher knowledge about it. Hindi mo pwedeng panghawakan yung mga bagay na hindi mo rin alam. So just live in the present and let go of the control, because that will affect your mental health, affect your body, affect your relationships with other people. Magiging matalas yung dila mo because you're gonna have this mixing PC o mixing pasensya. So Nine of Swords confirming Nine of Swords is that it is like it is what it is, so please let it go. Yung sinasabi dito, let go of that control, of that stress, okay? In the near future, you have the Five of Swords. Good news, you're winning. You're gonna win this. Kung ano mo itong nilalaban mo, kung ano mo itong gusto mong gawin, you're gonna win this. There will be a lot of challenges. There will be a lot of people testing you, your worth, and your abilities, and everything that you're gonna present. But know that you have what it takes, and you will win this. You will win this, Leo. The Five of Swords is being clarified by the Lovers. Yeah, it's about the things that are important to you, whether love life po ito for other Leos, for others naman, work-related, o kaya sa pagbebenta ng bahay, pagbili ng bahay, or argument with other people, meron kang dispute with someone. This is about you winning their trust. I'm also sensing na makukuha nila yung punto mo at magkakaroon kayo ng kaunawaan with that person na mahalaga sa'yo. I'm also sensing having dispute with family members, whether magulang mo o kapatid mo o pinsan mo. Ngayon, it's a time for you to reconcile and forget the past. May mga nasabi ng mga sakit before. You're gonna win this because there's reconciliation, or you're proving yourself that, oh, see, sabi ko sa'yo, tama ako, di ba? So those things are important to you, and those things will come to you in the near future. In the area of your challenge, which I don't think is a challenge in itself, ay 10 of Pentacles. Umuulan ng pera. So, I'm sensing na lang that the problem for you this week is how to manage things, especially kaperahan mo. Don't overspend and don't entertain yung mga nangungutang that you know within you na hindi kaya magbayad o hindi mayroong history ng hindi marunong magbayad. I'm sensing you just enjoy the things, be grateful with the things that you have right now. May mga bagay kang dapat pagpasalamatan. Continue focusing on the dreams na gusto mo makuha for your family. At wag mong isipin na, I'm sensing wag mo daw isipin na walang kwenta yung dream mo because dahil lang wala pa nangyayari ngayon. Do you understand that? Parang, porque wala pa nangyayari, don't belittle yourself with the things na ginagawa mo step by step, because you have this beautiful intention naman for your family, you know. So the 10 of Pentacles being clarified, but the 10 of Wands, ito yung mga extra baggage o mga hardships na nararamdaman mo. Bigat na bigat ka na sa responsibilidad for your family. I'm sensing OFWs and also breadwinners ng family na wala lang pahinga, kayod para kumita para sa buong pamilya, because you need to pay the bills, pay the tuition fee of your kids, or paying for rent. That will be a challenge for you this week, is to keep forward. And also, I want you to address things kapag alam mong na-violate na yung peace of mind mo o yung katahimikan mo, or pagod na pagod ka na and you're not being appreciated. Speak up and say na you also have the right to rest and also take care of yourself. So you're being overworked and underpaid and underappreciated this week, Leo. In the area of your fortune, which is a good card, Chariot, kung ano man yung pangarap mo, dire-diretso lang, matutuloy na siya, aandar na siya. Kung ano yung goal mo, also with the 3 of Wands, talagang maarating mo siya, maaabot mo. Just keep moving. You are protected by the divine, by the ancestors. Mag-iingat ka lang na huwag ka ma-distract with other things, because sa Chariot may dalawa siyang Sphinx na humihila sa kanya. Pero siyang dalhin dito, pero ikaw ang magkocontrol sa kanilang dalawa para dalhin ka sa tamang landas. So, don't be distracted. Keep moving. Your path is ahead and you're gonna reach your goal. Basta don't stop and don't be disheartened kapag may mga dumarating sa'yo sa life mo na medyo challenging at times. Don't be disheartened, don't lose hope, just move forward. The Chariot is being clarified by the Queen of Pentacles. Nurture the things that you love. Unahin mong sarili mo. Everything you touch is turned to gold. Kung ano man yung darating sa'yo na path, just go for it. Don't look back. You have what it takes. Kaya mong palaguin tong bagay na gusto mong gawin. If you want to start a new business, ito yung habawa Chariot mong gagawin mo. Itong business na gusto mong tayuin. Just know na kaya mo yan gawin and have that focus din no sa gusto mong buuin. Hindi pwedeng gusto mo lang may capital ka lang pero hindi mo aalagaan, hindi ka mag-focus. So focus on the things that you want. Okay? And it will move forward. It will bring you to places and move you to another heights sa buhay mo. In the area of your divine advice, you have the 9 of Pentacles and the Fool. I'm sensing that you've been really successful in your life as solo. Parang solo ka lang. Parang kayod ka ng kayod, nakakaipon ka, nabibili mo yung mga gusto mo. You have the freedom. You have the financial freedom. You can do whatever you want. I'm sensing for single Leos out there. And now you want to take a risk. You want something new. You want something else. Try something new because sanay ka lang doon sa bubble, sa lugar na sarili mong mundo. Kontento ka sa meron ka, sa bahay mo, sa lugar mo, sa circle of friends mo. At you're being advised and encouraged to try something new, whether a new hobby or a new circle of friends. Try to go out more, be open to other people, basta sumugal ka daw sa mga bagay na hindi mo pa nagagawa. So makikilala mo pa lalo yung sarili mo, and you're gonna open up to a brand new world and to reach that higher purpose na kailangan mo. So if you're planning to make a new adventure o meron kang pinaplano na teka, kaya ko ba yun o hindi ko ba yun, maaabot ko kaya yun, know that you have everything that you need to move forward. You have everything that you can do. You have the abilities, you have the talent, you have the resources para magawa mo tong bagong simula na gusto mo. So the the Nine of Pentacles is being clarified by the Eight of Pentacles. It's really about your work. Work on your confidence to expand, work on your confidence to try new things, and use the things na meron ka. You have enough. You have everything that you need para magawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. I know sometimes it's like, kaya ko ba yun? Ito lang yung meron ako. Yes, ito lang yung meron ka, pero kaya mo yung magamit at ma-recycle and ma-expand para matupad yung mga gusto mong gawin. Okay? The Fool is being clarified by the Queen of Swords. Pag nagsugal ka o sumugal ka sa isang bagay, panindigan mo, have that clear mindset, be open to other people, because Queen of Swords is like extending her hand for other people, pero alam niya sa sarili niya kung ano talagang gusto niya. Know when to say no and when to say yes. Be receptive on that. Kilalanin mo rin yung mga tao sa paligid mo, kung sino yung makakatulong sa'yo at sinong hindi. There's no time for being mabait just because for the sake of being mabait. Wag mo sayangin yung mga bagay na darating sa'yo. So plan ahead, be assertive, be the Queen of Swords, be a truth teller. Always go for the truth, yung katotohanan, so that when you start over, you have a clean slate, di ba? So, bago tayo puntahan tong iyong napakagandang outcome this week, Leo, na the Judgment card, let's have additional messages from the Oracle, from the Divine. Let's have number 41. Kung importante po sa inyo number 41, this message is for you. Kung nakita po kayo ng Nightingale anywhere, whether sa personal, sa pictures, o sa internet, o napag-usapan, Nightingale Spirit is for you. Love is all around. So, if you want to start over, you can have the things that you want, like this, sa Two of Cups. Lagi mo daw mahanap ang love sa kahit saan ka pumunta. So if you're gonna start over, if you want to end na tong isolation mo and do new things, you will find love there. Sa Chariot, sa iyong journey, you will find love anywhere. Just put your whole heart on it. Another message is, you're very close to achieving your goal. O, diba? Three of Wands, malapit ka na daw sa goal mo. So, continue moving, huwag kahihinto, and say no to people na ayaw mo, and have that paninindigan, okay? Another message is, far away places, get ready for new horizons. Yes, you're reaching new heights, you're reaching new places, aangat ka na sa buhay mo, and you'll have what it takes. Just continue, okay? So let's talk about your final card, the Judgment, as your outcome. This is a wake-up call, a brand new beginning for you. Now gising ka na, alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo. Are you gonna reach like your higher calling, kung ano yung destined sa'yo ni Archangel Gabriel na gawin. Kung ano talaga yung plano nila ng higher ups for you, susundin ba yun? And you're gonna meet your higher self dito, like a soul contract, kung ano yung nakalaan para sa iyo ay matutupad for you. So the Judgment card, I'm also sensing, don't judge yourself through the process. Know na every mistake and every failures are lessons for you to improve and move forward. So wag mo daw husgahan masyado yung sarili mo, and just be who you are and enjoy the little winnings, yung little journey mo. Enjoy every wins and every mistakes, because that will help you to move forward and be a better person, so that you can achieve what you want to achieve. So the Judgment is being clarified by the Fool card. Yes, brand new start. Dahil nagising ka na at alam mo nang kaya mong gawin, you're opening up yourself to a brand new beginning, a brand new you, a brand new work, or a brand new school. For others, I'm seeing a brand new love. You're opening up yourself to a brand new person na darating sa buhay mo, and you're very ready to do that. Kasi may awakening ka na, and wala ka nang pake. You're gonna go for it. You're gonna try to make a leap of faith, and you're gonna take the risk. So this is a right time for you, Leo, Feb 3 to 9, to take a risk, move forward. You're gonna win in life, gonna continue moving forward, charging forward, and gonna reach your dreams. So, Leo, that is your weekly reading for Feb 3 to Feb 9. Hopefully, naka-resonate po kayo. I-comment nyo po sa baba kung naka-resonate kayo sa akin at sa reading natin today. And I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time for your weekly reading. Next week po yan. This has been James for James Tarot Page. God bless everybody.